Here we have geometry problem and angle bisector. Okay, let's go the question. Line segment EB bisects angle RED. Find the measure of angle BED if angle REB equals to 5x negative 3 and angle RED equals to 8x positive 16. Okay, now let me draw angle RED. Let me draw it over here. Angle RED. Okay, let me mark R over here and E over here and D over here. Okay, this angle RED is bisected by the line segment EB. Okay, now let me draw the line segment EB over here. Line segment EB over here. Okay, this line segment EB bisects this angle into two equal parts. That is the measure of angle over here, the measure of angle over here must be equal because this complete angle has been divided into two equal parts by this line segment EB. Okay, we know the measure of this complete angle, that is the angle RED. It is given in the question, that is 8x positive 16. And also we know the measure of the angle REB, that is REB over here. So we know the measure of this angle. The measure of this angle is 5x negative 3. Okay, here since this angle 8x positive 16, that is angle RED has been bisected, that is divided into two equal parts by the line segment AB. So half of this angle 8x positive 16 is equal to the measure of angle REB and also the measure of angle BED. That is, if I take one half of the angle RED, that is 8x positive 16, that is equal to the measure of angle REB, that is given in the question, that is 5x and negative 3. Here, both 8x and 16 are multiples of 2, so we can factor 2 out from this expression 8x positive 16. Then I'm getting 1 half times 2 times. Okay, when 2 is factored out from this expression, to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide the terms of this expression by the one I factored, that is 2. When I divide this 8x by 2, I am getting 4x. When I divide this positive 16 by 2, I am getting positive 8 equals to 5x negative 3. Okay, now we can cancel this 2 and 2. 1 times is 4x positive 8 is just 4x positive 8 equals to 5x negative 3. Okay, now let me subtract 4x from both sides and also let me add 3 to both sides. When I do so, here negative 3 positive 3 will cancel out, positive 4x negative 4x will cancel out. When I combine positive 8 and positive 3, I am getting positive 11. On the right side, when I combine positive 5x and negative 4x, I am just getting x. Okay, now I got the value of x. Okay, now what I can do is I can plug in the value of x 11 over here into this expression 5x negative 3, which represents the angle measure REB. Okay, when I plug in 11 for x into this expression, I am getting 5 times 11 negative 3, which is equal to 5 times 11 is 55, 55 negative 3, that is equal to 52. Okay, we got the measure of angle REB, that is equal to 52 degrees. As we have discussed already, the line segment EB bisects the angle RED. That is, this angle RED has been divided into two equal parts. So since it has been divided into two equal parts, whatever measure we are getting for the angle REB, the same measure will have for angle BED. So the measure of angle BED is also the same 52 degrees. Okay, according to the question, we have to find the measure of angle BED. Okay, we got the measure of angle BED, that is 52 degrees. We find this 52 degrees in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.